Welcome to another episode of CPP Product Insights, where real gearheads get the inside scoop on the parts that bring classic rides to life. In this episode, we are taking a look at the CPP Premium Black Tilt Steering Column. If you're upgrading a 1967 to 1972 Chevy truck, there's one simple swap that can transform your driving experience. The CPP Premium Black Tilt Steering Column, shortened by 1.5 inches for the perfect fit and feel. This premium column shift tilt steering column comes finished in satin black, and it's designed specifically for 67 to 72 C10 and GMC trucks and gives you more room, better comfort, and modern control. The steering column is shortened by 1.5 inches inside the cab, making it ideal for trucks with smaller aftermarket steering wheels, designed for a 14 or 15-inch steering wheel with shorter handles. It features 5-way tilt for driving comfort, a 3-speed and 4-speed gear indicator lens, a built-in neutral safety switch, and includes the dash seal, floor gasket, and mounting plate, all packaged in a tough and stylish hard case molded to fit and protect your new column. The factory-style wiring harness plugs right in, and the column accepts the OEM gearbox shaft. Or you can upgrade to CPP's collapsible steering shaft for added safety. With more legroom and a tighter steering setup, this shortened column makes daily driving and long hauls far more comfortable. The tilt mechanism puts you in command, and the satin black finish adds a clean, custom touch. Installation is simple with basic tools, and this column is engineered to fit factory dashboards and shift linkages. It's not a universal column, it's purpose-built for your 67 to 72 Chevy truck. Ready to modernize and bring comfort, style, and control to the driver's seat of your classic truck's interior? The CPP Premium Tilt Column is your direct fit solution. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.